Welcome back to our beginner crochet course. In our previous lesson, we started crocheting and we looked at single crochets and double crochets. I also broke down a crochet stitch into two steps. So the first step being getting your hook into your stitch and pulling up the working thread, and the second step being making your stitch. So if it's a single crochet, that would be yarning over and pulling your working thread through the two loops that are on your crochet hook. If it's a double crochet, that would be looping over, pulling your working yarn through the first two loops, then yarning over again and pulling your working yarn through the second two loops. Today we are going to be looking at treble crochets and half double crochets. So a treble crochet, after your first step of pulling your working thread up through your stitch, you want not 2, not 3, but 4 loops on your hook. Okay, so in order to get this, we need to yarn over twice before you insert your hook into your stitch. Just a reminder again, this is your loop on your hook. This is your chain that you made after your last row. This is the first stitch that we're going to be working in. So starting off, as I said, we're going to yarn over once and then yarn over twice. So I now essentially already have 3 loops on my hook before I even insert the hook into the stitch. Over here you can see there's the first stitch we're going to insert our hook into. So I'm going to insert my hook through the stitch. There we go. I'm going to yarn over so I can pull my working yarn up through my stitch. So having 4 loops on my hook now, I can start my process. Remember I said we want 3 yarn over and pull through 2 loops on my hook. So this is the first. I yarn over and I pull through 2 of the loops. Second, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. And my third, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. That is my first treble crochet stitch that I've created. So as you can see, it is a pretty long stitch compared to our single crochet that we did at the beginning and the double crochet that we did after that. Okay, let's do one more slowly. So I loop over once and I loop over twice. Now I insert my hook into my stitch. There's my next stitch. Insert into stitch, yarn over in order to pull my working thread up through my stitch. Okay, step 1 of my stitch is complete. I now have 4 loops on my hook, so I'm going to yarn over 1, pull through 2. Step 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Number 3, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's my first treble crochet stitch. There's my second one. Okay, I'm going to continue just like this and finish my row of stitches. So as you probably have realized by now, for the single crochet, the double crochet and the treble crochet, in the first step of a crochet stitch, we are just adding on the amount of times we yarn over before we insert our hook into our stitch. and in the second step we are adding on in terms of the amount of times we yarn over and pull through our 2 loops on our hook. There's one more stitch left for this row, so I'm going to complete the last one. There we go. There is my row of treble crochets. As you can see, they look pretty nice. I quite like this specific stitch. Okay, as we did with all of the other rows, I'm just going to chain 1 at the end of the row to finish it off. So loop over and pull through. Okay, that is your treble crochet. I can now turn my work around, and we are going to start with half double crocheting. So half double crocheting, as the name suggests, is half of a double crochet. Step 1 is going to be exactly the same as a double crochet stitch. Step 2 is going to be slightly different. You're only going to yarn over and pull through your loops on your hook once. So that means that step 1, I'm going to yarn over, because for double crochet we yarn over first. Then I'm going to insert my hook not into the chain that I created at the end of the last row, but into my first stitch. So from the side, I'm going to loop over, hook onto my yarn, pull it up through my stitch. So now for a double crochet, we did yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. For a half double crochet, we are only going to yarn over once and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. And that is basically it. That is a half double crochet. Okay, let's do it again. So step 1 is exactly the same as a double crochet. I need to yarn over first, and before I insert into my stitch, then I'm going to yarn over, pull my yarn up through my stitch. Then I'm going to, for step 2, only yarn over once and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. Okay, so there my second stitch was created. There was my first, there's my second. Okay, let's continue in the same way. I'm now doing my last half double crochet of the row. So there's my last stitch, yarn over, insert into my stitch, yarn over, pull up through my stitch, and yarn over, pull through all 3 my loops. We just want to chain 1 at the end of the row. Cool, see you in the next video.